traders, I'm looking at the Euro Kiwi. Okay, we have it on a 4-hour chart here. A couple of things about this. We have an imbalance above. It could be a potential target at some stage. Two of them, in fact. Well, that one got traded through. But this one here would be a point of interest. But just keep in mind that it's possible that this could look to target this level up in here. So I'm looking for a short opportunity based on this lower high and this break of market structure bearish on this time frame, so BOS. Right, so we have some really nice price action shaping up. So high, low, lower high, and I'm looking for something like that equal measured move. If we pick up this range down in here, this value area, pull it across, that would be a potential target. Okay, there's a few things about this. See this level here. Right, what's happened is that it has traded into this level and it's hit the liquidity resting under here. You can see the reaction of this level, strong reaction. So there was a lot of orders in the order books resting under here. These are sell stops prior to this bullish expansion over here. So these sell stops got, well, hit. This reacted off that. My bias is still bearish, and I'm thinking we trade through here, then definitely this is a target. So the kind of setup that I would like to see with this would be, well, it trades through. Let's just make an adjustment here. Pull that back up because we have this low over here. That would be a valid level where this might react. Okay, so I'm looking at this value area. If we open that up on the lower time frame, that would make a lot of sense. So there is a potential target area here. All right, I'm just looking at this red candle over here on the left, and then this red candle here. So these two levels are significant. So if this trades down into this level, I would like to see the retrace, pull back, retest and fail, and then that would be a potential entry point short right there. Let's have a look at it on the 1H. All right, that kind of makes sense. So we're looking for the break of this low here, and then the retrace and pull back into it, retest and fail. And if we see on the 15-minute chart, and this has to play out as I'm describing this, we need to see this. Let me just grab that and I'll show you what I'm looking for. All right, we need to see on a 5-minute chart, 15-minute, 5-minute, price action has to play out like this, however it works. Just take that out for a second. And what you want to see here will be, see this range, right? This little value area. That's the kind of thing you want to see. This one here as well. Right, so I want to see that happen here. It ranges, it trades down, we get a little bit of a range, trades back up, and we get that. It has to play out like this, and then potentially draw sellers in, come back up and hit the stops, trade off with speed. All right, that's the sort of price action that you want to wait for. If this fails to play out, there's no trade. All right, so we're looking for continuation to the downside like that, something like that. Then I'm going to be looking to get short on a break of market structure. Here, BOS, pull back into retest this range. All right, so that's what I need to see play out. Similar to this, look at this. I'll just grab a pencil and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See how this traded down here? It traded down, it wiggled around. We get this move here, it entices sellers in. Stop losses get loaded up in here. Then it trades up and takes out those stops, and then we get this displacement to the downside. Oh, it's supposed to be an arrow. Pretty dodgy drawing. All right. This one, yeah, had a bit of a tick up here to hit these stops. All right, so it's just going to be the same story here. Look for this move down to entice sellers in. Stop losses get in placed above, and then it takes those stops out. Right. So you want to see that play out, and then this is your opportunity here. Now this could happen at this level, and I think that's a key level, especially, well, let me just be a bit more specific here. This plays out under here. So we have liquidity under here. That's going to be a potential target. So we'll just draw that in, liquidity target. So that this is under here. This is the target I'm talking about. It trades down, it takes that out, comes back in and retests. Okay, so we want to see this liquidity hit All right, and then that's the setup that I'm looking for. Okay, guys, I think that pretty well covers it. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely leave a comment. And yeah, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.